Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things finance and investing. Today, we have an exciting topic to cover: the best investment method for 2023 in the United States. If you're looking to grow your wealth and secure a prosperous future, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. Before we explore the best investment method for 2023, it's crucial to understand the current economic landscape and consider our goals. The year 2023 presents unique opportunities for investors, and it's essential to align our investment strategy accordingly. Our first key principle for successful investing in 2023 is diversification. Diversifying your portfolio across various asset classes can help mitigate risk and maximize returns. Let's take a closer look at a few investment options that can contribute to a well-diversified portfolio. Investing in the stock market remains a popular choice for many. Consider investing in companies that demonstrate strong fundamentals, solid growth prospects, and robust market presence. A mix of blue-chip stocks and promising growth stocks can help balance risk and reward. Real estate has historically been a reliable long-term investment. In 2023, opportunities abound in both residential and commercial real estate markets. Look for undervalued properties in emerging areas or consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, for a more passive approach. Bonds and fixed income investments provide stability and predictable returns. Government bonds, municipal bonds, or corporate bonds can offer steady income streams. In 2023, consider a mix of bonds with varying maturities to match your financial goals. Our second key principle for investing in 2023 involves emerging technologies. Technological advancements are reshaping industries, creating incredible investment opportunities. Let's explore a few areas with significant growth potential. Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to revolutionize various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Investing in AI-related companies, ETFs, or venture capital funds can offer exposure to this transformative technology. As the world focuses on sustainable solutions, renewable energy is becoming a vital industry. Consider investing in solar, wind, or hydroelectric companies that lead the charge in renewable energy. Not only can these investments generate strong returns, but they also contribute to a greener future. Our final key principle for investing in 2023 is ethical investing. More and more investors are seeking to align their portfolios with their values. Let's explore two prominent ethical investment strategies. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing has gained significant popularity. ESG investments consider a company's impact on the environment, society, and corporate governance practices. Look for companies that prioritize sustainability, diversity, and strong governance structures. Impact investing goes beyond financial returns and seeks to create positive social or environmental outcomes. Consider investing in companies or funds that aim to address specific social issues, such as education, healthcare, or poverty alleviation. As we wrap up, remember that investing is a long-term journey. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, consult with financial advisors, and stay informed about market trends. By diversifying your portfolio, exploring emerging technologies, and incorporating ethical investing, you can position yourself for success in 2023 and beyond. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!